Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced, carbonated, sweet tea, peach mango. First thing you gotta do is you put the sweet cherry tea bag into this mug, and then pour in the water, and you put in the ice cubes, and then you go ahead and you fill in the peach mango sparkling water into this mug, and then there's ice cubes in here. Okay, and there you go, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated, sweet cherry tea peach mango. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and cheers. Thank you.